A mother is indeed a hard worker. In addition to caring for their husbands and children, she sometimes has to work to support the family's income. Even if a mother has little time, these 9 beauty tips will help them look to stay fresh and beautiful along the day. 1. Choose a shower gel that also functions as a body scrub. While taking a quick shower, make sure to scrub your body with this multitasking shower gel to exfoliate and soften your skin. 2. Hair rollers can help you achieve beautiful natural-looking waves. If you're staying at home, doing the dishes, or even washing some clothes, use hair rollers to roll up your hair strands. It's a quick way to get pretty waves without going to the hairdresser. 3. Having too many makeup products can be distracting. Since you don't have time to contour your face or experiment with makeup, opt for 2-in-1 beauty products, such as BB cream, which can serve as a good makeup base while also moisturizing your skin. 4. To keep your skin moisturized for longer periods of time, apply lotion or baby oil right after showering, because your body is more prone to storing oils and body lotions after a shower. 5. Replace your lipstick with a tinted lip balm. It will moisturize your lips while also providing some color. 6. Because the waxing process could take up to 45 minutes, make sure to leave short periods between your waxing session and do it at home instead. This way, you will have little hairs to remove and will save time. You can purchase wax strips to help you wax even faster. 7. Because you're washing the dishes more frequently these days, don't forget to apply Vaseline or hand lotion right before bed and put on hand gloves afterwards. Your hands will absorb the cream perfectly this way. 8. You may be surprised at how powerful your kitchen is, until you learn about the incredible benefits of olive oil, almond oil, argan oil, and even coconut oil. Natural oils in your kitchen can be used as a great body moisturizer, and lemon, for example, can make your armpits and knees whiter. 9. Did you know that you can make your own homemade body scrub? Make your own coconut or sugar body scrub and keep it in your bathroom to use when you shower.